Sabi ng Lord, about this rock, Peter, I will build it. Walang ibang build up ang ating Panginoon dito sa lupa nung siya nandito. Na isang unit, na isang organization, o whatever, corporate man o hindi, na kanyang build up, except sa kanyang church. About this rock, Peter, I will build my church. Binibuild up niya para sulit. Lahat ng mga alagad, mga pauna hanggang sa kasalukuyan, pagkatapos ng Matthew chapter 16 hanggang ngayon, binibuild up niya ang kanyang church. Lahat ng naniniwala, the follower of Jesus, na lahat ng mga naging disciples, pumasok sa kanyang kaharian, totoong na born again. Kaya nasabihin si Mama, before again, he cannot enter the kingdom of God. At mula doon, you are called out and sent out once in the kingdom of God. Kaya nga sa John chapter 3 verse 5, ano sabi? Except a man be born of water and spirit, he cannot what? Enter the kingdom of God. So you are called out from this darkness. Ayon sa Colossians chapter 1 verse 13, you are rescued from the kingdom of darkness into His kingdom.